Hello everyone, welcome to another video of FFL 24/7. Today's video we are going to be taking another look at the PLTR stock. So why PLTR stock? Because I wanted to do a quick review for the folks if you are holding PLTR stock or if you are planning to buy into PLTR stock. So you might want to look for these two updates that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get into the charts and see what we are looking at here. So apparently we have broken down below the support of $19 that I did point out in my last video that this is very critical for us to hold, because if we don't hold this, then there is a possibility of a downward movement, and which obviously did happen from our last tracking that we were tracking at around this $20 mark. So $19 was very critical for us to hold, which we obviously did not. But I did want to point out something to you guys, because if you guys notice this uptrend line, we are still kind of tracking this uptrend line. So they are kind of testing this multiple times. So we did fail test again, but we did bounce back above on the earnings. But now we are doing the test of this uptrend line again. So maybe they are trying to test the bullish pattern if this is still holding or not. So if you look at it, we have actually broken down the long-term downtrend pattern. That is, we have started to form like higher highs and higher lows. So this, if we are, even if we bounce from here, this is still going to count as a higher low. So this is technically in a still bullish pattern, but obviously I know that with the recent price action, people may not be looking very happy. But two things that obviously we need to take a look at is definitely this uptrend line. We definitely need to 100% maintain this uptrend line if we are to proceed with any positive movement upwards. And the second thing is we need to be taking a closer look at the RSI as well. So we are approaching towards the oversold territory for the RSI, so there is a potential that we may be getting some relief rally, and that is going to coincide maybe with the holding up this uptrend line. And again, $19 is now going to act as a resistance for us, which we have to definitely break. So as a trading plan, what I want you so this is not a financial advice, this is just based purely on the technical analysis. What I see might be happening is so personally myself, if I want to go and get back into the PLTR stock, I want to see a break above the $19 with some strong volume. So other than that, and definitely I need to see this uptrend line to be holding strong. So we are tracking three things here for PLTR stock. We need to track this $19 resistance, we need to close above it, and we definitely have to hold this uptrend line. So if we close below this, so if you guys notice, so market is actually live right now. So we are just about sitting at this uptrend line and testing it as a support. So if we do not hold this and we start closing below this, then I would say wait it out a little bit, and the next buy target and price point that I would be looking at is around the $13 to $14 areas. Yes, this does look bad, but this is what it is technically looking if we do not hold this upward trend. And on the bullish side, if we are able to close above the $19, and then that is where I would be looking to maybe get into some long-term calls again for PLTR stock. But definitely not for the timing. So right now market is just trying to figure out which direction it is going to take. So today we did get a positive news from the CPI data. Inflation is actually right at the expected mark, 3.1%, and tomorrow is also going to be a very critical day for the stock market. So if you notice, SPY and the Nasdaq, they have started going up a little bit, but the market is definitely waiting for tomorrow, because tomorrow Feds are going to make a decision for the interest rates, if they're going to be pausing the rates or continuing with the hikes. So that is what the market is waiting for, and including the PLTR stock. So what I am thinking happening is we may see a little bit of relief rally because most likely Feds are going to continue with a pause, and they will not be raising any interest rates. And again, we are due to see some kind of relief rally from the RSI as well. But what I am thinking is we are going to be stopped out at the $19. So wait until we break the $19 with a strong volume to get back into the PLTR stock. So this area is just a deciding area for us if we are going to either break above the resistance and going to support this uptrend line or not. And definitely if we start closing below this uptrend line, then I would say wait it out and wait for $14 price to come to you. So that was the trading plan that I wanted to share with you guys about the PLTR stock, if you're holding or if you're getting into buying the PLTR stock. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.